Hello guys, this is Techie Snake and welcome back to another video. For many years, I have been on a hunt to find the perfect mouse for FPS gaming and casual work. I have tried several mice for extended period of time but never felt home. I've used the Logitech G602, G502, G Pro, SteelSeries Rival 710, Corsair M65 Elite, Razer Death Adder, Razer Naga, Razer Mamba, Basilisk, and many more. None of them felt perfect for me. In 2020, I came across a mouse that totally changed my game. Razer Viper Ultimate. Released in the year 2019 to become a massive hit and a tough one to beat both in terms of performance and design. It instantly became the main mouse for competitive gamers and famous YouTubers such as Dave2D.
Razer's made the best wireless gaming mouse on the market right now.
You can get this mouse with or without the dock. I chose the one with the dock, and inside the box you get the mouse, the charging dock, stickers, paperwork, and the micro USB charging cable. At its release, this mouse retailed at $130 without the charging dock and $150 when including the dock. Since this mouse has been around for a long time, you will find many good offers online. In terms of colors, you have 4 choices: black, mercury white, quartz pink, and the latest yellow Cyberpunk Special Edition, which costs higher than the retail price at $160 USD. Speaking of design, it's an ambidextrous mouse with 2 perfectly placed side buttons on each side which can be programmed to suit any function you need. These buttons are more reachable than some other mice such as the glorious Model O. The mouse has a simple matte finish with the classic Razer RGB logo which looks very decent. It is durable, well built and extremely comfortable with a low back and short body with dimensions shown here. It weighs only 74 grams, which is extremely light for a non-honeycomb design, especially in the year 2019. My hand is medium-sized and this mouse is perfect for me in fingertip grip for FPS gaming and palm grip for casual work. Small to medium-sized hands will also find it comfortable with a claw grip. There is no wobble on the mouse and the clicks feel sturdy and slightly different from most mice, which is mainly due to its optical switches. The main benefit of the optical switches is that they do not cause any accidental double clicks, which I experienced a lot in my older Razer Basilisk V1 and other mice. The scroll wheel is pretty standard and its incremented design offers great feedback that feels good while gaming but isn't ideal for fast scrolling through long documents. All the buttons on this mouse are reprogrammable, including the scroll up and down. You can also set a hypershift button which enables another layer of programmable inputs, increasing your customization possibilities. At the bottom, you have virgin grade PTFE that provides very smooth gliding experience on all types of surfaces. There is an on-off button and above it is the profile switch button which allows you to toggle between 5 preset profiles and are determined by different colors. There is also a slot to store your USB receiver which is fantastic as you won't lose it when carrying the mouse somewhere. The sleek design makes the mouse quite portable and you'll be able to toss it in a laptop bag without too much trouble. The rough matte body texture and the side grips provide a firm grip in the hand that is perfect for long gaming sessions. There's also an option of getting additional grip tapes from their official website which makes them even more better. The battery life is the best in its class with 70 hours of usage per charging cycle, and so far I've never ran out of battery mainly because it is always kept on the dock when not in use. Speaking of the dock, I do recommend getting this mouse with the charging dock included as it looks awesome with the base RGB light and also acts as an extender with a USB port where you can plug the receiver. The only disadvantage on this mouse is that it has a micro USB port for charging, but it does not bother me at all since I never use the cable and always use wireless. Using Razer Synapse software, you can easily customize most aspects of this mouse. You can save your settings within the mouse memory with 5 profiles, which means you won't have to download the software on another computer when switching devices. Using the Chroma Studio software, you can also customize individually the logo RGB light on the mouse and the charging dock. You can adjust the DPS sensitivity in small increments. Polling rate can be adjusted from 125 to 1000 Hz. The response time is still one of the best despite being almost 3 years old. On Ratings website, it has an input lag of 9 milliseconds, which is one of the quickest wireless mouse. If you want to compare this mouse with the competition, here is a quick summary. The G Pro Super Light is lighter, but as an all-round mouse, Viper Ultimate is better. The overall ergonomics for Razer Viper is just impeccable. Now for those who like super light mice, Razer is coming up with the next Viper V2 Pro. Based on the leaks, there are 4 main changes expected. First of all, the weight is going to be lowered to 57 grams to compete with the G Pro Super Light. In order to achieve that, there will be no RGB and the right buttons will be removed. Also, there will be a slight change to the texture, especially for the side grips, which will now come included as optional stickers. There's not much change expected on the overall shape and ergonomics. As I said earlier, it's already too good to beat. In conclusion, the Razer Viper Ultimate gives us a premium wireless tech in a feather-light, ultra-responsive and fairly aggressive design. If you're looking for a light mouse that doesn't have a typical honeycomb pattern design and has great grip and ergonomics, Razer Viper is a great option and you won't be disappointed by its performance. That's all I have to say for now. Thanks for watching, stay safe, and please subscribe if you like this video. See you again.